And so it continues. I just got to the Barrow Street Antique Mall in Abilene, Texas. Let's go in and see what we can find. Oh my gosh, how fun. And what is this? Oh, that's chipped. This is really neat. I've never seen this before. Gen O. I might Google it just to make sure. Well, I didn't see anything, so I might just grab it. This is hilarious too. This is $5. It's got a little chip on the ear, but it's so special. What is this? Oh, Miss Glamour Queen. Yeah, I'm gonna see what it says the year on this underneath this sticker. It is vintage. It does have a little bit of a signature. Dave Gressman, 73. I'm gonna grab that. All right, well, I never do this, but I did ask them if they could call a dealer and see if they'd cut me a deal if I bought all their Bakelite bangles in their case. Oh my gosh, look at that mirror. Oh, and this teapot, how fantastic. I've actually had one of these before with the green hat. This one's at 40. I don't see a discount sign. That's definitely too close. That's about what mine sold for. Mine sold for a little bit less. I was surprised. The zebras. Zebra baby, $7.50. Oh wow, look at all this stuff in here. Oh my gosh, I'm like making such a mess. I hate that you can't see. Okay, the prices I can see are pretty close to retail. The Bakelite bangles were just below, oh my gosh, the I Love Milk mug, just below what would be a super fair price. Okay, this mermaid vase. What? I cannot tell you how much time I have spent trying to get case situations figured out, but I need to know how much that is. All right, so I did grab that vase. You're never gonna believe it. It was $15, which is a steal if you ask me. And then, oh my gosh, what in the world? Lenny Lennox, those are so fun. I've never seen those before. I did grab the vase, which was a huge steal at $15. They also said they'd cut me a deal for $80 for all the bangles. There was 5 thin green ones, 1 super thick mustardy colored one, and 1 medium chunky red one, which is a huge deal. Oh gosh, those are so cool. I want to look those up. I've never seen that before. Wow, there is a lot going on. So I did look up, oh my gosh, the Lovebirds pin. I did look up Lenny Lennox. There's a few listed for like $150 something on the Bay right now, and one at like $115. The last one that sold was like $80. I'm not sure how I feel about spending $45 on them. They're really neat, but it might be a little high for me for resale purposes, considering there's some sitting online. But they are so fabulous. I'm kind of having a hard time focusing on anything else. And what is this planter? Is this a planter? I'm not sure what's going on here. $4 dog, question mark. Wait, that's so funny. I kind of love this silly thing. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that for $4 because it's weird. We like weird. Super kitschy. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, this mug is calling my name. $10. Can't fly on one wing. That's so funny. Oh, wait, there's so much stuff in here. First of all, these cloth books are so neat. Look at that one. What's in my pockets? Oh my gosh, stop it. That's so cute. Rachel would die if she saw that. Oh, I don't think I see. And it says, look for sale tags. I don't see sale tags on any of those. The owls at 20. What about the salt and pepper? Okay, so 15, they're all repaired. The chipmunk things are so cute. Oh my gosh. I just had one of those lady planters, and I just had one of these pears. That one's at $5. It's got a little paint loss in its eye, which is obviously why it's $5. I see something else. I'm trying to go like area by area, but as soon as I turn around, I'm about to scream at this decanter. Oh gosh. Okay. Somebody asked me in my Whatnot sale last night what state had the best antiquing, and I really think it's Texas. I'm sorry. This is hilarious. I'm full of candies. $5. It's missing its cork. Who cares? I'm taking this. And what is this? Spice and ice. Bath powder. That's such a fun color. And this is a fun box too. Oh, that's really heavy. It's glass on the bottom. Wow, I was not expecting that. I mean, it's so heavy. Yeah, I don't really want to mess with that. Spice and ice. That is a fun one. Oh, I'm kind of caught up on it, honestly. I wonder if this little spot right here would come off. It's probably from the original sticker. I just think it's a fun color. $9 is a little much to pay for me, though, I think. Well, I normally can't stand that bisque material unless it's like really early Japan. And these are not. Made in, I think it says Mexico. I'm not sure. 25 though, that's extreme. Wait, look at this. That's weird. I'm not sure what's going on there. This book looks interesting. Jewelry. Some fun stuff. I'm really distracted by whatever this is. Oh, it's a pottery. I don't know why I thought it was a purse from afar. It almost looks like shells. All right, what else we got in here? The elephant. That's as is. Okay, never mind. A little bit of everything. That's the way I like it too. Have a mushroom situation happening. First off, these are awesome. $5. How old are they though? I'm not sure how old those are. This is neat too. $5. See, they're super heavy though too. I'm not sure how well I would do. I'm on the fence about those. Wait, how cool is this set? $30. Oh, but I see the picture has a crack in it. Dang, but you know what? These mugs alone. I don't know about this. Something is telling me to grab this. There's no marking. Wait. Titano RSM. I think I'm going to Google that. These are really interesting. Okay, so it is Italian, in fact, and the prices are all over the place. This is a really interesting set. I don't think I can leave it here. The only thing that kind of bothers me is the picture does have a hairline. The mugs all look in good condition. Yeah, the picture's super cracked, actually. But the mugs... I'm gonna keep thinking. Now, I will say the only reason I'm still thinking about it is because of the space situation happening in my car. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so pretty. $12. What about this? This is neat too. $41 as is. What's going on in this case back here? It's like new stuff. I thought there might be some kind of sign of kitsch going on back here. A lot of really pretty pottery. Wow. Oh, I love that pattern. This is nice too. I've never seen this one. The little Joseph Originals girl. Oh, she's so cute. $6. So cheap. People always ask me to pick those up, but I don't know. I've gotten stuck with them a few times. I see the prices all over the place. I've seen them anywhere from $12 to $45, and it just kind of intimidates me, honestly. Let's see what else they got in here. I also don't really like picking up one specific things, you know, like, or like the Josef original ones with the ages on them and stuff. That's so fun. That's Japan for sure. Oh, I like this guy. Block pottery, $8. That's a really good price. Oh, the shoes. Interesting. Oh my gosh. Look at her. And she's at $8. I'm gonna need a key. I'm also interested in what the bowling ashtray says. I think that says $12. I'm definitely gonna get that girl though. These are really interesting. This set of 3. Oh, I love this little heart pin cushion. So cute. Well, I grabbed the little girl figurine, and I also grabbed that ashtray. Her panties were on the ground. So funny. I love those risque. That has a chip in it. Well, I've looked it over, and I've thought, and I can't leave these here. They're too cool. I'm just making sure all the mugs are in good condition, because the pitcher itself is cracked, which is a shame, but yeah, this is so neat. Wait a second, look at you. 35, dang. Well, I ended up spending $145 on there, 83 of which were on bangles, and I got 8 bangles for $83, and 7 out of the 8 were Bakelite, so that was a major score. I'm going to use them to fill some holes in my sales. I know I have some sales. I have 2 sales tomorrow. I have Avon and also Whatnot, so I will probably offload a couple there. I'm gonna get back in the car. I'm starting to lose steam. I'm only gonna go to one more place. I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, so here's what happened. I left abruptly. That's why my outro was a little scatterbrained. I had a pretty horrible experience getting out of there. It was no fault of the antique malls, but it was time for me to leave town. I ended up leaving the pitcher set behind because I did notice that 2 of the mugs were also cracked, and I just was like, you know what, this is essentially like 3 good mugs, and I'm sure the longer I looked, the more I would have seen what was wrong with them. So then I drove to another place that was a little outside of town. I didn't get a good feeling, so I just kept driving. Then I drove to Santa Ana. By the way, if you have a business, you should probably update your business page if it's not correct, because the entire town says open on Google and their Facebook and their website and everything, and guess what? It's closed. So I'm getting gas. I'm getting back on the road. I called another place because I'm just going to want to get out and walk around for a little bit. So I will see you guys officially at my next stop. Hopefully it's a little bit easier an experience as I've had for the past hour.